What's up, Rich Mindsetters? Today we'll talk about talking about it. That means communication. We will talk about some skills that in the beginning I thought that they are not that important. Don't say useless, but not that important. And in the process of making it, I realized that communication is a very, very important factor in, first of all, transmitting the feelings that you have to the people that you desire to come in your life. And that is from more perspectives. You can do that as your own, like build a friendship, like build a community, like build, I mean like friendship, when I mean friendship, I mean like really strong friendships with common core values, with common ways of thinking, where you can talk to those people, not like, where are going to drink tonight? Not that. But like real powerful conversations. What we are going to rock this year? What is your gym habit? What is your gym, how's it called, goal for this month? And pushing up, come on guy, you can do it, you can do it, you can do it. Go to the next level. This kind of conversation, these kind of friendships you need in your life. So in order to do these kind of things as a personal level, but also as an entrepreneur, is to build yourself a company but not only a company. You need to, with communication, you can achieve even more. You can build yourself a tribe. You can build in the tribe itself. You can build a culture that actually I've seen that as a company, if you only want to do a company, to create a company, then it's really easy. You just go create a company, sell some shit, and that's it. But the culture that you build inside the tribe that you're building in the team, like in the team, that the unity that you can build, the teamwork that you can build, that it will, first of all, defend the company, and the second of all, will make it strive for more than it ever was thought in the beginning. Because I would lie if I would say like, yeah, revolution for me in my mind back then, I already knew that I needed some other people around me, but I knew that I will get them? No, I didn't know that I will get those people around me. What I did, I was communicating. Even now, I do the same thing. If people come to an interview for employment, right? I don't go and talk to those people like, okay, tell me your experience and what do you want in 5 years? And no, I'm telling them right away. We are transparent. We have nothing to hide, first of all. Second of all, we are here to make fucking history. If you think that this is a job for you where I come to work 8 to 5 and then go home, that is not a place where you can, this is not the mindset that we are building here. Because you allow to exclude yourself. You can come here, you can earn some money and do something else in I don't know, 2-3 months, because you will get out of our lives, because we want more from this life than to 9 to 5 it. Okay, so very important, this enabler for deep roots in friendship or communities or cultures or tribes are only possible through communication. And you need to efficiently communicate with other people. And what is efficient? Because I see a lot of courses online, well, oh my God, you need to communicate in this way or that way or this. The only and the easiest, but the only way to communicate efficient is tell the fucking truth all the time, even if it hurts. Never, ever, ever in your stupid day think that by not telling something, because it's also if you hide something, it's also a lie, or telling a lie, people will not think that people will not get it. They will most definitely feel it. Can you feel my energy? You can feel my energy because I'm fucking honest. I don't care. I'm not creating this kind of videos for, I don't know, views, and I don't care. You will also see me, I told you already, if I will get like 2 views, 2, 1, 0, I will still continue. You had that time when we did it, and we did it again, and we did it again, and we did it again, because I know that outside there are people that need this kind of guidance, and to see that there are people crazy enough to reach for more, to have more, to empower other people, inspire other people, and to know that outside outside of this stupid world that we created until now, where we think that in front of a computer we can achieve everything, and that is true, that outside are not people that with the same goals, with the same mindset as they have. There are, and we are them. Simple as that. The only way and the easiest way is to tell the truth no matter what. Simple as that. Even if it hurts. Because let me give you an example, or give you the backstory of it. If you go and tell the truth even from the beginning, and you tell them and you feel that, because if it's the truth, you need to feel it, and you feel what you're saying, the person that is in front of you and getting criticized for something, or you tell him the truth, right? You do not take it personally, because he will understand that you are on his side. He will understand that everything that we are communicating is to make it better, is to take it to the next level, is to upgrade it. Because we are together in it, guys. Me and you, we are in to get it. If we live in the same times, we live in the same years. I'm 30, 34. Somebody that is looking at this video is 45. Somebody is 19. We are still in the same boat. This is our time, and we need to make a difference. We need to take action. Without us, what do you think will happen? How the future generations will remember us? As cowards? As courageous? As what? As what do you want to be remembered for? Because this is in our hand, and every single one of us, and this is the why rich mindset exists. So richness is not a wealth issue. It's not about money. It's about thinking how to help other people, thinking how to increase other people, and by this increase, to be firstly honest, teamwork, build a tribe, and help as many people as you can. Because to be there on top and to have nobody with you, so fucking lonely, so cold. You don't need to do it. We don't need to do it and build it like it used to be. Now it's affordable for everybody. As I told you, opportunities everywhere. Are you ready to embrace them? So, I hope you got it. Thank you for your attention. See you next time. Peace out, and see you on the other side of the comfort motherfucking zone. Peace.
Mistakes, perceived as lies. I don't have when I deny. Maybe I should just comply as my breathing gets too deep. She ignores but starts to peep. Man, I wonder what she thinks. Like maybe my life needs a beat. Then she started bitching like money wasn't my mission, but she gaining some suspicion. It's time for her